What it do, YouTube? Welcome to Hip Hop World. It's your boy Papa Benji. We're back with another visual today. Y'all know these visuals get very critical. Without further ado, God is good. And God bless every single one of y'all with the most positivity and prosperity in your aura family. Make sure y'all take the time out to join that membership and subscribe as well. Grab some Zaza, popcorn, whatever y'all need to relax, and let's get it going. We got a Midwest safety today. No nonsense motorcycle cop versus Crybaby Biker. Let's get it going, family. Make sure y'all support Midwest safety and subscribe to them boys.
On January 7th, 2026, deputies with the Marion County Sheriff's Office in Florida were wrapping up a felony arrest at a residence when a deputy assigned to a motorcycle unit was ordered to return to the station.
All right, I'm gonna get out.
We should jump.
Yes, sir.
Be safe out there.
The deputy had no idea that his peaceful ride back would suddenly take a dramatic turn.
Engine died? Oh. I'm about to say, what the hell? Thank you so much, Mike.
We got him.
I really appreciate that.
Got dog bit too. Well, he took off, rammed one of our vehicles, so I was catching up, and then they canceled the pursuit. 2 seconds later, another deputy, like, hey, he's right here. He just wrecked.
Yo, what it do?
Yo,
what it do?
So, no, he ran into his house. He got dog bit, but nobody got hurt. Huh? Yeah.
So why did he run?
He has a aggravated battery warrant, felony warrant. Yeah. Now he just picked up another charge for ramming the vehicle, aggravated battery, on a police officer.
So was this incident like in the middle? Are we gonna see this incident soon? Is this an incident that we're gonna see?
Well, he took off, rammed one of our vehicles, so I was catching up, and
we must have didn't see
it. 2 seconds later, another deputy, like, hey, he's right here. He just wrecked, and now he ran in the house. So, no, he ran into his house. He got dog bit, but nobody got hurt. Huh? Yeah.
So why did he run?
He has
aggravated
another charge for ramming the vehicle.
That's the motherfucker right there, y'all. What it do, Keith? Oh yeah, this one is about to happen. Okay. I see what's going on. Taylor, what it do? Just in time, y'all.
Well, stop!
Yeah, stop the bike.
I didn't say you were speeding.
Sorry, dude. Please don't want to go through that. I just was like, I was not speeding, sir.
Turn it off.
Oh! Oh, shit!
Please stop. I don't have to.
Pull over! Pull over!
He about to fry him. How slow can you get, y'all? What the heck? Boy. He better make it out of there, man. I'm telling you.
I just attempted a 1050 on a motorcycle. He's headed east towards the incident that just happened. He just tossed a gun on the side of the road.
Oh, he tossed that fire on the side of the road. God damn.
He also ditched a bag
Oh, he just dropping
on
shit.
the road, and I think the car run it over.
26 kilo 6.
God bless you, Chase.
Can he describe the motorcycle?
It's a black motorcycle, a guy in a black jacket. He did have gloves on.
Look,
It looked like
suspicious.
He was reaching for the gun to turn around and point it at me, but he ended up tossing it. I'm looking for it.
He just tossed another baggie. He's pulling over right now.
1033.
26. I did pull it next to him, told him to pull over, so it's going to be in an argument.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am non-resistant, please. Please stop.
I got this hand. I got cuffs.
Please stop. I'm non-resistant, sir.
Kilo 6
Yo, what the fuck?
Hello?
Back to you. He threw a
God
baggie
damn it.
just right before he stopped.
Huh?
10-4 subject open die.
Stop crying. Holy shit. You did this to yourself.
I'm not
God.
All right.
Please get off my back, please.
Hey,
Can you
Hey.
take my helmet off, please?
stay right there.
Yes, sir.
Stay right there.
Can you take my helmet off, please?
No, you're going to keep your helmet on for a second. And let,
That boy whining like a little bit.
Can you take my helmet? I can't breathe. Please, sir.
What the hell?
Please, I'm not resisting, I promise you.
all right.
How old is he?
Working today.
How old is he,
I
bro?
didn't do that. I was speeding.
Are you choking?
Yeah, no, if you undo the button, you gotta roll me over on the other side so you see it, please. I'm not resisting, I promise you.
1543.
Please. There's a red button, please. No, on the strap, please. Damn it. I can't breathe.
Just take a breath.
Crying not gonna get you out of this, buddy.
They're both speeding or nothing, man.
Dude, just stop talking for a second.
Crying ain't gonna get you out of this. 28 years old. This motherfucker's a grown ass man. Talking about who said 28? Goku said this man grown as hell. This man got kids. This man got kids, bro. If you ain't got kids, this man got grandsons. This man old as fuck.
Man, I didn't. What the fuck, bro? Why was so stupid?
Alright, you stay 10-12.
Yeah, they gonna like it when he cry in jail. They gonna like that.
6631. Can one of you go to Kilo where the bag was at?
They gonna be like, yeah, boy.
We do have gas leaking right here.
Yeah, boy, we got you now.
Hey, I'm gonna move you over this way. We got gas leaking. I'm gonna bring you over here.
I'm not going with this.
All right, go ahead and sit up for me.
He also ditched another bag west
old
of
for
the
that shit.
location, and between that and them, he
Yeah,
threw a
damn,
gun on
his
the side of the
record
road.
damn near 28 years old.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Look at the stickers all over me. I
West of the
can't.
location, and between that and them,
I'll help you out.
there was a gun on the side of the
Man,
road.
I did not mean to do this. Why did I do that?
Guys, if you want to maintain your...
Yo, what if he get drunk and he be breaking up with his girl and shit? And that's how he be crying and shit. Oh, don't leave me. Like, what the, that shit animated as hell.
26, and if we can get another
That shit's so
unit to go
animated.
further west to retrieve the bag that he threw off on the road.
Go get that ditched evidence.
You're on track 1.
Stupid, dude. I'm so stupid, man.
Marion Anso 1.
And you almost hurt that officer.
1026. Back to that 20 is coming back for place.
64, man, just make sure those northeast units are over the 54 bag in the middle of the road.
You almost hurt that poor officer, man.
Any is 351 to the 18697 E316.
That boy be taking it from the rear end.
Official on the side of the E3.
Deputies searched Terry and discovered a needle and plunger, in addition to numerous 9mm cartridges. The crystal substance found in the baggie that Terry tossed field tested positive for methamphetamine, while additional bags found in the backpack that he ditched tested positive for meth and cocaine. The following day, deputies returned to the scene.
Damn, boy, this nigga was partying all night long. God damn. Meth in there, yeah, yo, goddamn.
And located the Taurus model firearm that Terry was seen tossing onto the highway. Terry was taken to Marion County Jail and booked on charges of fleeing and eluding, possession of methamphetamine, possession of cocaine, evidence tampering, not having vehicle registration, possession of a firearm or ammunition by a convicted felon, possession of drug paraphernalia, not having a valid license, and possessing a firearm during commission of a felony. While
damn, bruh. God damn, how they skip past number 10?
Not having a valid license and possessing a firearm during commission of a felony.
They skipped past 9 and 10. They just gave his ass. Damn, they just belted his ass, boy.
While in jail, Terry received citations for operating a motor vehicle without a valid license and fleeing and eluding. He posted bond in the total amount of $35,000 and pleaded not guilty. His case is still in pre-trial, however. This is not Terry's first run-in with the law. His extensive criminal history stretches back to 2005, where he was found guilty of burglary of a conveyance.
Damn, bruh. God damn. They gonna have fun with him. They gonna have fun with him. Damn, bruh. Since 2005, bro. People never change, huh? People just never change.
And grand theft. Over the subsequent 2 decades, Terry was also found guilty of violating a domestic violence injunction, possession of drug paraphernalia, fleeing and eluding, driving with a revoked license, possession of cannabis, possessing a firearm or ammunition.
Why the fuck he looked different so many times? This nigga had a mohawk at a point in his life.
Domestic violence injunction, possession of drug.
What type of shit you was going through, buddy? Type of shit he was going through. He probably was in a biker club. That's a weak ass mohawk though. That shit thin as hell, my boy. That shit thin as hell, my yo. Bumbleclad blasphemy, man.
Paraphernalia, fleeing and eluding, driving with a revoked license, possession of cannabis, possessing a firearm or ammunition as a convicted felon, possession of methamphetamine, and battery. His driving record. Amphetamine and
What the fuck is this?
Battery. His driving record also reveals a pattern of habitually violating traffic.
That nigga look like a retired law enforcement officer right here.
Laws. Terry's next court date is March 19th, 2026, and he is innocent of any wrongdoing unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Yo. Dude, mugshots are like a time lapse of bad choices. I swear to God it was. Wild Burger and Cry Fries killed me. Hold up. The scene he left had a pursuit vehicle ramming and a dog bite. We need that one too. That's a fact, fam. We need that one too, man. We spent 6 weeks trying to track down that footage. Almost lost to the wind. Okay. WWW Midwest Safety. That was a little funny. Brody was crying like a little wee, bro. Grow up, man. Grow up, man.